Good day, guys. You're welcome to Browser Text on YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to withdraw your Me token to your Trust wallet or other crypto market exchange website. So, few times ago, I introduced the Me token airdrop via ERC8 application. So the application allows you to mine the Me token for free, and it's set to be closed on October 20, and the October 20 has passed already, and the free mining has closed. So right now you have to withdraw your Me token from your ERC8 wallet if you want to do that. So if you've been looking for ways to withdraw your Me token from your ERC8, so that's what I'm about to show you here on this guide. So okay, let's get started. This is the ERC8 application. Let's get it open. A lot of people complained that the application, it's restricting them from logging into the application, that like you're unable to log into the ERC8 application. So if you're unable to log into your ERC8 application, all you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. Once you go to Google Play Store, you will see update button. So click on that update and update the app to the latest version. Once you update the application to the latest version, you will be able to log into your account, and you will have access to all the activities that you have performed on the application before this present moment. So that's that about that. So if you want to withdraw your Me token from ERC8 wallet, all you have to do is to open your application as I've opened it right now. So if you check the top left corner of this application, you will see that I'm having 18.66 Me token, and I gained everything from that free mining. So if you're very active during the mining, or you start earlier, you'll be able to mine some of the token for free. And if you're able to mine any of the token for free, I'm about to show you how to withdraw the token to your Trust wallet or any wallet of your choice. So first of all, let's check the crypto exchange that accept Me token. Like if you want to withdraw your token to other wallet like Binance, KuCoin, etc. like that. So first of all, let's go into CoinMarketCap. So on getting to CoinMarketCap, we'll search for Me token. Okay, so let's click on the search icon here. Once you click on the search icon, then you search for Me token, GMEE. Then you click on it. Once we click on it, we'll be able to know where it's trading at the present moment. So this is it. Let's get to market, and we will see where it's trading. Can you see here? So it's trading on Uniswap. These are the DApp browser stores. So the exchanger I can pick from here is KuCoin. That is a wallet that you can store your crypto. Can you see? So this is the major one that you can pick here. So if you have KuCoin application installed on your phone, you can withdraw the wallet. You can withdraw the coin to your KuCoin application, or withdraw it to your Trust wallet. So if you want to withdraw the Me token to your KuCoin application, all you have to do is to open your KuCoin application, go to Marketplace, and search for this Me token. Once you search for the Me token, then you activate it, and grab your Me wallet address. So I think you understand how to send coin. If you have been using KuCoin before, you will know how that's been done. So once you click on the name of the token you want to send, if you go to your wallet area, Once you click on the token, you will see if you want to receive or send, then you click on receive. You will see your wallet address and everything you're supposed to see like that. So, but for the purpose of this guide, I'm going to be using Trust Wallet, because Trust Wallet seems to be the most popular wallet that nearly everyone have it installed on their phone. So I'll be using Trust Wallet for the purpose of this guide. So let me go and open my Trust Wallet. So this Trust Wallet, so right now we'll go and search for. So all you have to do is to click on this icon here. Once you click on it, then you will see the search box. Once you see the search box, you search for GMEE. That's your Me token. Then you activate it. You click on this button to activate it. I have activated it like this. So once you activate it, all you have to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, then you click on receive. Once you click on receive, then you click on this copy icon. Once you click on the copy, you've successfully copied your Me token receiving wallet address. So all you have to do now is to open your ARC8 wallet. So the ARC8 wallet, then you click on wallet here. Can you see? This is wallet. Once you click on wallet, so this is the balance. So you can save the GME token. You can save it on your ARC8 wallet. You can even use it to receive Me token and it is like that. So the transaction history here shows that I received the 18 Me token from the free mining that ended on October 20, and on the 20th of October they transferred the amounts I am able to accumulate from the free mining. They transferred it to my balance, and that's the reason why I will be able to withdraw it right now. So if you want to top up, then you click on top up. If you want to receive, you click on this receive and copy your wallet. Then you can use it to send wallet to ARC8 wallet, or your Me token to ARC8 wallet, maybe for storing purpose or other purposes like that. But if you want to transfer it out to Trust Wallet or KuCoin as mentioned, all you have to do is to click on this icon. Once you click on this icon, this is the available balance. Then you'll be asked to paste your Me token address, the receiving address. So the one we copied from Trust Wallet is what we paste here. I hope you understand. So here they ask you to enter the amount of Me token you want to send to either your Trust Wallet or your KuCoin. So this is available balance of 18.56 Me token. The minimum withdrawal is 5 Me token. So if you want to withdraw, you must have 5 token and above on your wallet. 5 Me token and above on your wallet before you can withdraw. So for the purpose of this guide, I'm going to withdraw everything. So I'm going to click on max. If I don't want to withdraw everything, I will just enter the amount I want to withdraw it, maybe 10, 15, 5, 6, 7, it is like that. But because I want to withdraw everything, I will just click on max. Once I click on max, everything will be inserted automatically. So I will now click on continue. Once I click on continue, can you see this is the breakdown, and it's asking me to confirm the transaction. This is the amount fee, the receiving address, and the total of Me token that I'm about to withdraw. So I was told to slide to right to withdraw. Can you see? Oh, oops, something broke. Let's try again. Continue. Again, it failed again. Let's try again. Okay, so it's successful this time around, and this is transaction in progress. That means your request for the withdrawal, and they are transferring it to your wallet. So All you have to do right now is to click on show transaction. Once you click on show transaction, you will be redirected to Polygon Scan, where you can see the details of your transaction. Can you see it shows success here? So it shows success. That means they have successfully transferred my 18Me token to my Trust wallet. So we'll be able to, if you want to exchange it for cash, the coin is trading already. If you want to withdraw it and convert it to any coin, you can just withdraw it directly to KuCoin. So you'll be able to convert it to another coin directly. So that's that about that. Thanks for watching and do have a wonderful day.